Now, in the advanced workshop last month, you may remember that we were talking a lot about AI at the beginning of the class. So this month, I thought we would actually do a topic on AI. And we have some very, very recent news coming out from Apple, the company Apple. They have designed a set of ear pods where you can translate languages in real time. So usually we might listen to something and we have to repeat it from the phone, or there are other ways of translating languages. But Apple are saying they have created these earphones that automatically and instantaneously translates languages. So we are going to have a look at this technology. Of course, it's using AI. And I want us to start thinking about our conversation from last month in terms of how much AI and technology is actually going to affect us and essentially take jobs anytime from now. So let's go to the reading. We are going to start with the real-time translation could end need to learn languages. So, new technology from Apple could transform language learning and global communication. The tech giant says its new AirPods Pro 3 earbuds can translate foreign languages in people's ears in real time. In addition, transcripts of conversations will automatically appear on the screens of users' devices. This could have major repercussions for the language teaching industry. Instant translation could deter people from investing the time and financial outlay required to learn another language. The technology is another example of the impact AI could have on jobs. Many teachers will be concerned about how real-time translation might affect their industry and their future. Apple wrote on its website that its AirPods Pro 3 would help people communicate seamlessly in other languages. It added, for those moments when a language barrier gets in the way, live translation can help users communicate across select languages when messaging or speaking. The technology is another example of science fiction becoming science fact. For the past century, people have foretold novel ways to translate languages in real time. The 1979 novel The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy envisaged a fictional babble fish that is put in one's ear to understand foreign tongues. The Japanese manga and anime character Doraemon used a special jelly to magically translate any language. So these are the AirPods that can directly translate languages into your ears. And here's the vocabulary. We've got the normal true or false, the synonyms, the phrases, the listening exercises, all of the grammar and questions, etc., which you can do for pre-study or homework. But we want to focus on the content and this question, which is technology has always changed and improved our lives. However, this time with AI, things feel a lot different. Are we really going to lose our human connections, such as languages, or will humanity persevere? Will we be able to continue working with AI instead of AI taking over? So that is today's topic for you and this month's topic. Please do your pre-studying and come to the lesson with your questions as always. Thank you. See you on Thursday, October 23rd. Bye for now.